What's up, everybody? Welcome. We're here in the Smash Lab inside the NugSmasher factory, and today we're going to do a 30-gram hash extraction. So sit back and relax. We're going to do it on the NugSmasher IQ, which is fully automatic. Enjoy the show. Okay guys, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed 21 grams back out of 29.5 or so, or 29.75. There it is, all buttered up. It's phenomenal quality. The whole room is filled with this phenomenal aroma of terpenes. So really nice. Hats off to the grower. And we'll see you guys next time. Remember, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And if you haven't so far, check out our 710 sales going on right now at NugSmasher.com. Crazy good deals. And if you do that, use my discount code. What's my discount code, Kendra? 710 best deal. Use that. Use that if you go to NugSmasher.com. Take care, guys. Next time.